Good morning students. Welcome to science class. Hope you all are fine. Students, in the previous lectures we were discussing about the various conventional sources of energy that we are using for a very long time. In the continuity of that series, today we are going to discuss one another source of energy, that is wind energy. Students, as you all know that the unequal heating of the landmass and the water bodies by the solar radiation generates the air movement and causes winds to blow. The kinetic energy of the wind can be used to do work like students, like which works in a water lifting pump, because in the past the people were using the windmills for the water lifting of the pump. Rotatory motion of windmill is used to lift water from a well, right students? Now today the wind energy is also used to generate electricity. In these days the wind energy is also used to generate electricity. How it is done we will discuss. Basically a structure similar to a large fan, right, at a great height is erected with a rigid support. It is like a large fan erected at a height with a rigid support. Now what is done here to generate electricity? The rotatory motion is used to turn turbine to generate electricity. Right students, our purpose is to rotate to turn turbine to generate electricity. It is done by the rotatory motion. Now students, if we fix one windmill, it generates very small energy, small electricity which cannot be used for a commercial use. So number of windmills are erected over a large area which is known as wind energy farm, because a single windmill cannot give us much energy, much electricity to do the commercial works. So the number of windmills are erected over a large area known as the wind energy farm. Students, here I would like to tell you that Denmark is the only place where 25% of the electricity used is generated from the windmills. Denmark. Now students, what are the advantages of using windmills to do the various mechanical works? It is very much environment friendly and a renewable source of energy. It does not produces any smoke, it does not pollute any environment, right students? So it is environment friendly, eco friendly, and it is a renewable source of energy. Second, it requires no recurring expenses to produce electricity. Once you have fit the windmills, you have spent the money, again and again you need not have to expend to produce electricity. There are no expenses to produce electricity. Now there are certain limitations also. The wind energy farms can be established at those places where wind blow for greater part of the year. So because the windmills depend upon the wind, so these farms can only be established at those places where wind blow for greater part of the year. These cannot be established everywhere. Second, the speed of wind should be higher than 15 km per hour to maintain speed of the turbine which is used to generate electricity. Right students? Speed of wind should be higher than 15 km per hour, which is not always possible. Tower and blades need a high level of maintenance. Right student? These are few disadvantages, or we can say limitations. So students, today we discussed about the windmills or the wind energy, which is a renewable source of energy, and it is eco-friendly and it does not need much expenses to generate electricity. So students, we should always use the renewable sources of energy because these all are environment friendly. So that's all for today's lecture. In the next lecture, we will discuss about the another source of energy. Thank you. Have a nice day.